Hey guys, it's FadeLess here. Now, those of you who play Apex, whether it be competitive, whether it just be fun, or if you're just playing with your friends and it's just random, I have something for you if you want to try to make a little bit of money or just get more competitive and start competing. So you guys probably remember, back in the day there was like CMG, there was like all this other stuff too. A lot of those things, competitive apps have really sort of gone out of date. And so some new ones have arisen. The one I'm going to talk about today is called Zleague. I am partnered with them, so my link will be down in the description below. If you want to click on that, it'll take you right to the page where you can sign up. It's for free. You can sign up for free. You can get into free tournaments. You can win free prizes, which I'll be showcasing later. You can win money as well. You can get into these money tournaments for free just by playing the free ones, as we'll go over as well. But I figured let's bring this to you guys' attention and let me explain everything to you guys real quick. Alright, now that we're on this website, here's where I can explain everything a little bit more. Once you come to the website, once you make your account, you do want to sign in with the email that you use to play Apex, whether it be the email that you use on Steam or whether the email that you used for your profile on your PlayStation, Xbox, whatever, so that it connects to that account. At first, it can be a little stingy and a little weird. It takes maybe about like a day, if that, like 12 hours, just for it to like really connect and like really fix. Sometimes people get it right away. If it's like having a couple of errors, just come back a little bit later. It'll fix. It's just because they've had like so many people trying to get in lately. All right, so once you get in, you'll be able to see all of these. There's a lot of these ones, which is just free tournaments that you can join. Then they tell you like what time they're going to be at. Then they also have like your time zone and stuff. You can play with people who are outside of your time zone. These tournaments are going to be at the same time for them, just different time, obviously. For these ones, you'll win credits, and what credits are is basically money. So since like this one, there's like 69.50 credit prize. Therefore, if you get in first place, you get 1,500 credits. Now, you don't just get all 1,500, you split that between you and your teammates, and since there's 3 of you guys, they get split between 3 people. So if it was the 1,200, each person would get 400. And then you'd be able to do one of these prize ones once you have enough coins. For example, the Flex Star Trios, you'd be able to do this one for free, or you just have to spend $2 to get in, which is really, really cool. As you can see, I've saved up 1,430 credits so far. I'm just saving up just to get into a money tournament later on when I have a team that I feel super, super comfortable with, and just say, why not? But there are some really cool things that you can get with credits as well. Go over here to the Z store. This is where you can get stuff with the credits. You can save up the credits. You can, make your team name dripped out, make it look fancy. You can get like apparel from Zleague. You can get achievements. You can get VIP in their Discord. You can get all this other stuff. You can even host your own tournaments as well, which I think is really, really cool. And then you can also get Nintendo Switch, the new Xbox, new PlayStation as well. But those you're going to be saving up for a minute unless you're just wicked good at the game. There's also rewards and stuff that you'll be able to get just by playing the game. You'll be able to get a lot of stuff through here, playing in different ones, and just really having a good time. Just the more you play, the more achievements you're going to unlock, which is basically what rewards are. Stats after each time you play a game. It'll show like stats for like your past matches. So if I go to tournaments, it'll show you the tournaments that are out right now. But if I go to my profile, I can actually check, the stats of my character, and there is a way to check like the stats of your past tournaments as well. However, they do send that to your email. So once you get that in your email, you are able to check like past tournaments and how you did compared to your teammates, how your teammates did, and like other stuff. But I wouldn't take all that too serious. At the end of the day, it is a team game. You may get more kills than your teammate, but it's a team game. So you guys all put in the work and you guys put in the effort. But yeah, I just thought this was something really, really cool. This is something we've been doing here for the past few months. We haven't been doing as many tournaments as usual because we've been like super busy with stuff. But I just figured I'd let you guys know what to do with these. And then also you can also see how like scoring works, how everything else works. It does a really good job of explaining everything. The only thing is you will have to set trackers. I was waiting for that to pop up. So when you have to set your trackers, they explain everything very in-depth detail. They show you which ones you have to put on. You have to put kills. You got to put the top 3 games, and then you got to put I think enemies. Wait, where's it at? Yeah, games played. Okay, so you gotta do games played times plays top 3 and kills, and the reason it is this way is because the way they coded this is it's only able to track those 3. So if you were to play this game and you choose, hey, I'm playing Bloodhound, you gotta play Bloodhound the whole game, the whole 1 hour and 30 minutes of the tournament, or however long the tournament is. Also, you got to keep those trackers on, because that's how they're able to track your kills, the amount of games that you play, and the times that you place top 3. And the reason top 3 is so important is because you get an extra 5 points. I play in a lot of the Apex ones, so if you're playing other ones, like, they'll go more in depth about explaining those. But yeah, they do a really good job of explaining like which ones you have to put on, and like if it's not working, it's probably because you do not have your tracker set. And they give you a long time before you got to get everything all set up and everything in there, so you won't have to worry about that. And then if you come here, which is just like my home page, you're able to see everything. I think this was like our last tournament I did, and it gives me my team's like stats and like all this other stuff, which is really cool about this tournament. And then it explains like other tournaments as well that you can go even more in depth in later on. But besides that, guys, I hope this helps. If you guys have any other questions regarding Zleague, regarding this website, regarding how anything else works within this, let me know. I'll do my best to explain it. And if you guys would like to do some tournaments, maybe we can get some going here in the future. So if you guys are finding this on YouTube, I do stream every single day on Twitch, 6 p.m. Eastern, usually till around 10 or 11, sometimes even later. So till then, guys, I'll catch you later, and if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, and peace.